Building a tiny house on a budget of under $10,000 is totally doable with some creativity and resourcefulness. Start by sourcing reclaimed materials. Think pallets for walls or old windows for natural light. Look for local classifieds or Facebook Marketplace. You'd be surprised at what people are giving away. Next, focus on a simple design. A basic 100 square foot layout can save you money on materials and labor. Use a trailer as your foundation. It's mobile and often cheaper than a traditional foundation. For insulation, consider using recycled denim or straw bales. Both are eco-friendly and cost-effective. When it comes to utilities, go for solar panels and a composting toilet to keep costs down and sustainability up. Finally, embrace DIY. YouTube is a treasure trove of tutorials. With a little elbow grease, you can build your dream tiny home without breaking the bank. Remember, it's about living simply and making the most of what you have.